play some games, bro.
Why are you like this?
You did it?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
What is this, APE ESCAPE 2?
Yeah, the first one was for PlayStation 1. That's the one I played when I was a kid.
Okay. I like that. I'm gonna mute this.
The monkey. So that's how they got the hats, dude. It came from the sky. Police monkeys.
I didn't see it.
Police monkeys.
I wasn't watching, dude. So, are these the same monkeys from Super Monkey Ball?
No, dude, you fucking dumb. They don't look like it at all. Watch me fuck this stage up real fast.
You doing a timer?
Sure, dude.
How many monkeys you gotta catch? Oh,
One catch.
Shit. Oh, George.
Oh, they have names. Oh, see, I do have cookies. Cookies in my health.
Those look like those cookies. Those digested cookies.
What are they called?
They're just digested cookies, I think.
No.
What does the phones do? Ring, ring, ring. You got a monkey on the phone.
Done, dude. Monkeys caught.
That's all of it already?
Yeah, I told you.
What the fuck?
Tomkey
It's so easy.
Well, this is the tutorial stage, dude.
Oh, it's just a tutorial?
What are you doing? Chill out, dude.
I'm gonna fucking grab my nipples, dude. Don't make me.
Don't grab me.
I'll grab them.
Okay, she's a cutie, no?
Yeah, she learns me. What's her face?
Misty?
Yeah.
Welcome to the, Cool, must have blasted a monkey.
Warpad! You already did Liberty Island, bro.
Well, how come it made me leave after 3 monkeys when I can get 5?
I don't know.
Okay,
Maybe you caught the... Oh, maybe the red... Didn't you catch like a red one last or a blue one last?
no, you dummy. That's how you know if they're alert to you or not, dude. Watch, I'll show you. Oh, this is time trial though.
Okay, I see. I saw what you mean now.
Yeah. Like you can do stuff like.
Well, shit. How are you gonna do time travel? Because fucking every time you do that super long intro, it still cuts seconds off.
What?
Like when he did the intro of him
Can I
catching.
get off of this?
I don't know. What did you do?
I don't know.
Wow.
I'm trying to do style points.
Digital style.
Digital style.
Jump.
The other monkey's up here. You know him
Get
here?
that one last. That was the last one.
No, he's not the last. Come on, you know he's not the last monkey. Don't be silly. That's Tom Cruise. You know better.
Look at him lounging. How the fuck did I not see you? Why is it?
Shit.
Chill.
What do you mean all done? I caught 4.
Maybe you are the 5th monkey. Too bad. What did you do?
I think I took too long.
Garbage, dude. Let me try.
Okay, you don't know. The controls are weird.
Squares to catch the monkey pad. X is the monkey. How do I catch it?
This is gonna be fucking.
How do I
hell.
catch it?
Go ahead.
Just tell me how to do the swing.
You do this. This is to swing in the direction that you push it. This is to jump. X and triangle switches between your bat and your net.
Okay. This is the move, obviously.
Looks like Kermit. What does Kermit sound like right now?
Where'd he go? He's not down here? Oh, how does the camera move?
L1. I guess he's not there.
Oh boy.
What does Kermit the Frog sound like?
I'm coming. Miss Piggy.
No, it's awful.
Miss Piggy.
That's awful.
Miss Piggy.
Stop, it's awful.
Miss Piggy. Ow! He broke my cookie.
Who's outside?
I don't know. Ring, ring, ring. It's your monkey delivery service. Where'd you fucking go? Where are they?
Stop, dude. Go to. Well, obviously not this way.
There's no monkeys here, Alex. I'm not even on time travel anymore. Time trial.
Oh. Then you fucked up. Where's it? What? No! No! Yeah, what?
Mailbox.
Mailbox?
I have a mailbox for you.
Wait, give me it.
No, like I have a mailbox.
Oh, you took the mail. Oh, you hit it with your car? Did you really?
You know, I heard you pull in, and then like I heard something.
Give me it.
I'll put it back on.
Oh, yeah. Leave it here. I'll
It's
put it on.
literally.
Is mom gonna be mad? Did you tell her?
It was already broke.
Alright, well, just...
I lightly tapped it.
Yeah, I know, I hit it the first time.
Yes, you said you didn't.
No, I lied.
He didn't.
Of course I hit it.
Where's this other fucking monkey?
Leave, dude.
I'm
We're
leaving.
fucking... This is stupid. Get out of here. Close my door, bitch.
I'm leaving.
Alright.
Bye.
We probably fucked up and hit not time. You probably pushed X instead of start when you grabbed it, because you missed I know the controls. We're not doing that level again. How long have we been recording? I fucked it up!
5 minutes.
Look, it already says clear, because I... There must be a secret monkey, dude. I'm not mad, dude. I just want to...
He's on the hand.
Oh, is he? Oh, I'm gonna go again. I wish there was a way to, like, run quicker. Later, I think we get, like... Well, I don't know about this game, but I know you got, like, ski boots or something, and there's a way to boost. You could, like, glitch it out.
Is there an alpine forest?
Alpine Grizzly.
1080 snowboarding?
How do I get up there, then?
You gotta probably answer all the phones.
No, dude.
Why else are the phones there? Oh, wait, what's that metal thing do? What's that do?
It's a light.
Oh.
You have to hit them?
Who knows, dude? Maybe it's a trampoline pad, dude.
It's not a trampoline.
You don't know me.
Alright, I'll go answer the phone.
No, you won't. Ring, ring, ring! Monkey pickup service, ring, ring.
Look at the baby. Oh my god.
You're really bad at this, bro. Pick it up, hit it with the bat.
If you lose all of your, nobody wants you. Cookies can be found.
You sure he's up there?
No.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
I don't know.
You can't do that shit.
There was something up there. What's that, see? See, it's a monkey.
Oh, you know what, dude? We probably have to get the slingshot later. That's definitely what it is. We can't get it yet. We have to come back.
You're saying it's my fault.
Is that like an English accent you just did?
No.
Definitely sounded like one.
Aye. Fish and chips, mate.
Aye.
Aye. Throw another shrimp on the barbie.
You gotta... That's really gay.
Igada!
I already know what it is.
Go ape and capture
How
the
funny
monkey.
is it that my sister just hit the mailbox?
It's really funny.
So where's my fucking gadget then?
You didn't equip it.
Oh,
You fucking.
I don't even need it.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. It's a radar. It's a monkey radar. I don't need it. I can find
How are you gonna find all the monkeys in time?
It looked like I got him, right?
Can I play Super Monkey Ball?
No.
What other monkey games we got?
Monkey games?
Quit monkeying around,
I'm getting
Alex.
frustrated.
He threw his poop at you.
Definitely not poop, dude. It's definitely a rock.
Come on, dude. Monkeys throw their feces. You think it's a rock? It's their fucking shit. He just threw shit at you. He stuck his
His
finger.
name is Walter.
Walter stuck his finger in his asshole and threw shit at you.
I'm down to clown with that, dude. I don't care. The enemies in this are weird. I like how I run. You're a faggot. Hey, Zach.
Hey, Alex.
You're a faggot.
You want to fuck it? Let's get him.
Gotcha.
Crusty.
How many monkeys are there? 2 more.
2 more to catch.
Can I go in the house?
No, it's not a house. It's a light house. There's probably one up top of that house.
I think there's one under the bridge.
Under the bridge? That's where the trolls live.
That's where,
Oh, he's gonna get topical with you there, boys.
no.
No?
Our new president lives.
That's what you meant.
Is that topical enough?
I wasn't gonna say that.
Oh, I don't know what you were gonna say. Can I grab it?
Oh!
Oh,
You could've.
my God, I fucked up, dude.
You go to the fucking gym more and you won't fall, pussy.
Okay.
Dude,
Yeah?
the fans are banana peels. They're fucking bananas, dude. Oh, this game's making me go bananas. Look at the mini one.
Why?
Those are plantains. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is this gonna make me double jump? I hate this. Alright. I'm digging this, by the way.
Oh, he fucking jumped off. What if you hit him with the lightsaber?
What does he have? Grenades? Bababonini.
Babadini. Babadini. Hey, Babadini. Come get the spicy Babadinis.
This bellissimo.
This bellissimo. Son of a Babadini.
Where could the other monkey be? I wish I had a monkey radar or something.
Oh! He's probably under the door. Do that little crawl thing you do, bro. Oh, it doesn't work. He's probably in the other house then. Turn around.
Just drown.
Wait, he's on top of your head. Get him! Oh, that's not there in the other house.
No, you have the autism.
What's that? Oh, it's a
You think I can break the boxes? He's definitely in the box. Fuck. My cookie.
We got him. John!
Did he say John?
Yeah, he did. John! Why does that monkey have wings?
I love him. He's adorable.
Can I get one?
Monkey?
No phones. It fell on the ground.
It did?
Yeah, I heard it.
The wall. Oh!
Why is the yellow one yellow?
I think you maybe get more.
And the other ones look just really high.
So, okay, I don't care.
So, are you like, do you work
Data
for...
dash?
Oh, shit, look at that. PS2.
Practice using the gun that you
I remember when that was a cool
You'll
thing
be
to
an
do.
expert monkey.
Yeah, can you name another game that has it?
Pokemon?
Pokemon has it in all of them, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's not the one I was gonna say.
Uncharted?
Yeah, it's a PS1.
What game were you gonna say?
Enter the gadget trainer.
No, it's gonna teach you how to use your products.
I want to just.
This is like reading the warranty.
I want to use it though.
I don't think you can.
Why?
You have to go through training.
It's gonna make me.
Maybe.
Alright.
I don't know. I've never played this game. What game were you thinking of? Really quick?
Banjo Kazooie.
Oh, I had that for 30 seconds.
Oh man, this is so cool.
He's in there! Got him! Catch him!
It's a fake monkey.
Ooh. You just got points for that. Go up there.
Hey.
Oh. Dude, switch to monkey cam.
I want to. Oh!
Monkey!
Oh, that's cool, kinda.
How do you think you got...
I don't know how I did that, but whatever. So what do am I done?
I think you're done. Oh, good. The stomach fullness is good. Level 2.
I feel like if, like, when we start getting viewers and stuff, dude, they're gonna be like, just use the fucking telephone and learn what to do!
Let me explain how the monkey cam
Good.
provides you with a nice device.
We don't know what we're
Switching
doing,
the
that's the fun
monkey
part.
cam only works when it's and if he is close enough, press the L2. Cool. If you find it very useful, point the radar at them. Don't miss the monkey console. If you find it very
There's tequila in this.
useful, point the radar at them. Don't miss the monkey console.
Alex,
Yes.
you have that?
Tequila?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where?
This is the wrong switch. Oh, I see.
Where?
This is the wrong switch. No use looking here. The one to the left of me is the winner. Okay, so I'm done.
Go to the portal.
Oh, are you serious? Ooh, I definitely didn't know that was a portal.
Fucking retard. Where's the tequila's
That
at?
device
It's up in
over
there.
there for 10 gold coins.
Where?
The item
Gotcha
that you
box.
whip at the minigame corner. 10 gold coins. The item that you whip at the minigame corner.
Okay, I want to do it. Wait. What?
Here, you can play the bonus, but you'll have to win. No mini
Are you gonna go get some?
Yeah, where is it?
No mini game.
Oh, we don't have. Remember, we drank it all.
I don't remember this.
No mini game.
I don't have tequila. I have vodka. It's in that corner. I might check, but. So can I just fucking have the gadget? Does it?
Yeah. Like,
I'm getting.
here and
I just let me set it.
it like radiates.
What does it smell like?
Shit. And a little bit of
Milk?
sex juices.
Milk?
No. Sex juice.
Ask me if I'm frustrated.
Are you frustrated?
Yes.
He is frustrated.
Dude, we're going for 15 minutes. We gotta fucking plot. We gotta be done.
Are we?
Yeah, we need to be done.
Why?
It changes?
You want some?
What?
Oh shit, that's a lot. You want some?
No, I don't want any. Stop drinking all my shit.
You offered. I love your mic's probably made from
Yeah, I have a lot of alcohol. Just how do I...
Port Clam. Did you go to Port Clam yet, Colin?
Oh.
Get in there, Clam!
I'm sending this gotcha gadget
Pause
to
the
you.
audio. We're done for this episode.
And prepare
Gay. You guys are all gay. Videos are
You'll
gay.
be swimming like a
Why are you
fish
mad?
in a practicing trailer. Do you want to go
Pause
to
the shit!